So, number 76. Which of this section of research paper provides detailed information on planning the work of drilling and blasting? A. Section 11, planning the work. B. Section 10, drilling and blasting equipment. C. Section 12, safety precautions. Or D. Section 13, environmental consideration. So, as stated, yung tao na rin yung section sa research paper which is ng planning the work. So, section 11, planning the work is the right answer. Letter A. So, number 77. The purpose of primers in the context of blasting. A. To provide lighting during blasting. B. To measure rock density. C. To transport extracted minerals. Or D. To initiate the main explosive charge. So, naroon kayo sa letter D para ma-initiate to initiate siya to para sa atong explosive. Tapos, ang 78, advantage of surface mining production blasting in large-scale mining operations. A. Requirement for later comminution. B. Capacity limitations in equipment. C. High production rate. Or D. Limited drilling patterns. So, ang mga advantages po sa mga surface mining sa mga large mining. So, kung answer diri kay letter C, high ilang production rate. So, 79. What role do blast accessories play in directional blasting operations? What role do blast accessories play in directional blasting operations? A. Transporting equipment. B. Controlling the direction of the blast. C. Providing first aid to the injured workers. Or D. Monitoring ground safe stability. So, yun diri kay unsa daw role sa blast accessories sa imong directional blasting operations. So, kung answer diri sir kay letter B, which is para makontrolling mo ang direction sa imong blast. So, number 80. In these cuts, all the blast holes are drilled parallel and with the same diameter. So, A. Cylinder cuts. B. Burn cuts. C. Crater cuts. Or D. Drift with coal beds. So, answer diri sir kay burn cuts, which is gina-create siya para sa mga fracture sa rock formations o gina-allow for efficient excavations and construction activities. O ang iyang kuan ko ni kay blast holes niya kay mga parallel og forma. So, number 81. A greater than 2 times dimension of the ground has blasting procedure of A. Single blast, single symmetric place charge. B. Single blast or dick charges fired simultaneously. Or C. A 2 separate blast. Or D. A room impeller. So, answer diri sir kay 2 separate blast, which allows to the efficiency and targeted use of explosives to achieve project's objectives while minimizing the risk to personnel, equipment, and the environment. So, number 82. The type of rock that uses a base powder factor of 0.55. A. Fissure and hard. B. With joints. C. Fracture. And D. Relatively homogeneous. So, ako answer diri sir kay base ako nakuha ang mga sources kay letter B. With joints. So, number 83. Where the large diameter pilot's holes are drilled and represents between 85 to 90% of the chamber tonnage. A. Undercut. B. Long hole sector. C. Crater blasting. Or D. Slot races. So, ang answer na ko diri kay long hole sector, which is ang long hole sector kay ginagamit siya sa mining operations, particularly sa mga gahion ng mga inahan or gahion og deposit ng mga inahan. Kung asa ang mga long, narrow, or bodies kay na per percent. So 84 carries out the mission of receiving fragmented ore and creating a free space in the bottom of the blast holes. A. Undercut. B. Long hole sector. C. Crater blasting. Or D. Slot races. So, ito na ang gingon kanina. Ang undercut kay na free space sa iyang bottom sa iyang blast hole. So, ang answer 3 kay letter A, which is nag-refer siya sa mga initial excavation or removal material beneath a mineral deposit para makahimo siya og void space. So, number 85. Charging of this is necessary to apply a borehole plug to keep the explosive from falling out. So, choices niya kay drift driving, B. Shift sinking, C. Down holes, or D. Up holes. So, para dili siya mangatagak, ang answer dili kay mga up holes, which refers to the drilled vertically or an upward angle for the surface of an underground levels towards a target point. So, number 86. Pressurized vessels are used, similar to those used with bulk ANFO. So, number 86 kay pressurized vessels are used, similar to those used with bulk ANFO or ammonium nitrate fuel oil. So, choices kay A. Drift driving. B. Shaft sinking. C. Down holes. Or D. Up holes. So, pressurized vessels kay ako answer diya kay shaft sinking, which is to excavate vertical or near vertical shaft from the surface to access the underground resources. So, sa akong 87, it is used when the blasting agent is previously manufactured in a static plant near or on the mine site. So, A. Pump truck. B. Mixed pump truck. C. Conventional mixed load truck. Or D. Bowl type mixed load truck. Kung answer diri kay pump truck. Ang pump truck kay usa ka specialized nga vehicle which ginagamit siya sa mga construction projects para sa pang-transport sa mga concrete o elevated or mga lisod na kayo nga kuwaon ng mga location. Hard to reach. Lisod na ito. So, number 88. It is a mobile plant in which the products are continuously mixed and are pumped directly into the blast holes through a flexible hose. So from the word nga na-pump directly, ako answer diri kay mixed pump trucks, which ang mga choices aning 88 kay pump trucks, tapos ang B kay mixed pump trucks, tapos ang C kay conventional mixed load trucks, o ang D kay bolt type mixed load truck. Ang mixed pump trucks kay ginagamit siya para pang transport or pang deliver sa mga mixture of concrete or grout nga gina-direct siya sa pag-placement area using the hydraulic pump system. So, number 89. In these chargers, the explosive is propelled through an anti-static semiconductive hose by air pressure contained in a metal vessel or pot that is hermetically closed. So, choices kay A. Cartridge explosives. B. Pneumatic chargers. C. Conventional mixed load truck. Or D. Bowl type mixed load truck. So, answer dira kay kuan man ang question. In these charges is propelled mga anti-static or semiconductive hose. So, ako answer dira kay pneumatic charges, which is to load explosives into the blast or blast patterns. Tapos ang 90, when the explosive columns are in the position, the detonation velocity are relatively lower than the region. So, andre choices kay A. Top priming. B. Bottom priming. C. multi-point priming, or D. Continuous side initiation. Which akong answer diri kay continuous side initiation, which is ang mga explosive columns kay nakaposition na, tapos ang detonation velocity kay hinay kaysa sa rigid. So 91, this increases the natural fractures in the rock mass with the lethal displacement. A. Riprap blasting, B. Cast blasting, C. Pre-blasting, or D. Trench and hump blasting. So, ang answer diri kay pre-blasting, which nag-refer siya sa preparatory activities conducted before the actual detonation of explosives sa blasting operation. So 92, the use of explosives not only to fragment the rock but also to project a large quantity of it to a predetermined place such as spoil pile. A. Riprap blasting, B. Cast blasting, C. Railway and highway construction blasting, and D. Kay trench and hump blasting. Which ang akong answer diri kay cast blasting. Kay kaano siya, para sa efficiently break or para ma-remove nimo ang mga large volume sa imong rocks or sa imong overburden. So sa 93, this method is particularly suitable for square or rectangular sided shaft. A. The bench method, B. The spiral method, C. The full button method, or D. The classical manual method. Ako answer din sir kay the bench method, which is gina-struck or minerals nga open pit or sa quarry, which ang yung gina-purpose diri is gamit kayo ang mga square or rectangular shaded na mga shafts sa benching method. So this 94, this method is applied more in shaft excavation, where the concentrated charges is placed in one or more various central blast holes. A. Cylindrical cuts, B. Burn cuts, C. Crater cuts, or D. Drifts with coal beds. So ang crater cuts kay ginagamit na siya sa mga open pit mining para sa pag-extract sa ilang mineral deposit sa ilang earth surface, which is ginagamit po niya siya para sa mga large diameter o pang distributing po sa ilang stoping blast holes. So 95, the effects primarily the breakage operations and in inserting the preparation of stopes, as in general the work is carried out on two sub-levels, one for drilling and one for extracting. A. Crater blasting, B. Mining method with vertical crater retreat, VCR stoping, C. Long blast hole mining method or LBH or room and pillar. So ako answer diri sir kay long blast hole mining method. So 95 ako answer kay long blast hole mining method. So 96, they are used in the operational methods or inverted crater and in leveling with long blast holes. A. Drift driving, B. Shaft sinking, C. Down holes, or D. Up holes. So pag mayroon kag down holes, which is ang answer day kay down holes, kay ang holes or wells drilled vertically or inclined into the earth surface So ang number 97, primers located in positions such as to produce collision of the detonation waves at a level that coincides with the hard zone of the rock. A. Top priming, B. Bottom priming, C. Multi-point priming, or D. Continuous side initiation. Which akong answer diri sir kay multi-point priming. So sa 98, powerful explosives with no initiation accessories that has two functions. A. Primers. B. Boosters. C. Blasting agent. Or D. Fly rock. So, akong answer diri sir kay kaning booster. Kay kuan siya, a device or material used to enhance or augment the performance of another substance or processes. Ano man? Kaning powerful explosive charge man associations tapos na two excessive no two functions. So, kung 99 kay a type of electric initiation system compromises an aluminum or copper shell that holds an ignition system, a primer charge, and a base charge. A. Blasting caps initiated by low for load detonating cords. B. Shock tube systems or non-electric caps. C. Electric blasting caps. Or D. Delay primers. So, kung answer sa number 99 kay letter C, which is the electric blasting caps kay ginagamit ni siya to initiate the detonation of explosive charges. Kaya tapos remotely using as an electrical impulse. So, sa 100 for the last item, a type of non-electric initiation system where the blasting cap placed at one of the end of the cord is similar to the electric version, being that the ignore in the cord itself. So, number 100, ang iyang choices kay A. Blasting caps initiated by low core load denotating cords. B. Shock tube systems or non-electric caps. C. Herculet cups. Or D is delay primers. Tapos ang answer kay blasting caps initiated by low core load denotating cords. And that's for today. And that is my output for the final requirements. And thank you.